A Kubota RTV 1100 can be a great asset to have, especially when it comes to navigating challenging terrain and completing jobs quickly. But just as with any machine, shifting issues occasionally arise that could leave you baffled. Be at ease. In this blog post, we'll examine some of the most frequent shifting problems experienced by Kubota RTV 1100 owners and, more significantly, give you workable fixes to get your dependable car moving again. So what are the Kubota RTV 1100 shifting problems and what are their solutions? If you are experiencing Kubota RTV 1100 shifting problems, there are a few potential solutions to consider. First, check the transmission fluid level and condition, ensuring it is at the appropriate level and not contaminated. Next, inspect the shift linkage for any signs of damage or misalignment and adjust or replace as needed. Additionally, check the clutch system for proper engagement and adjust or replace components if necessary. Lastly, if the issues persist, it is recommended to have a professional technician diagnose and address any internal transmission problems to ensure proper functioning. Before getting into our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. It means a lot to us. If you are interested in reading such insightful content about UTV, visit our website www.offroadingutv.com. Link is given in the description. Let's get back to the video. Potential solutions for Kubota RTV 1100 shifting problems: check transmission fluid level and condition. Inspect shift linkage for damage or misalignment and adjust or replace if needed. Verify clutch system engagement and adjust or replace components if necessary. Consult a professional technician to diagnose and addressing internal transmission issues if problems persist. You might have some annoying shifting issues as you use your Kubota RTV 1100 on the trails or in demanding working situations. The transmission's lack of responsiveness when trying to change gears is one of the most common problems. When you're riding smoothly, it can feel like you're in a tug-of-war with the stick, feeling locked in one gear. Additionally, some users complain of uncomfortable gear changes that are abrupt or abrasive, which could harm the transmission's parts over time. Fortunately, there are doable actions you can do to get beyond these mutating challenges and guarantee your Kubota RTV 1100 runs at peak performance. Shifting that is not responding is the first step in troubleshooting. You can find and fix the source of the issue by checking the transmission fluid levels and inspecting the shift linkage for any misalignment or damage. Learning the art of double clutching can greatly reduce gear grinding and result in less jerky shifting by allowing for smoother gear changes. Additionally, regular maintenance is essential to maintaining your Kubota RTV 1100 in good working order. It is possible to avoid problems caused by inadequate or deteriorated fluid by routinely checking and replacing the gearbox fluid. It's also crucial to keep an ear out for any odd clunks or whines while shifting, since these could be early warning signs of issues that need to be fixed right away. You can ensure that the gearbox on your Kubota RTV 1100 stays trouble-free and prepared to handle any task by establishing a regular maintenance regimen. It can be a tremendous pleasure to own a Kubota RTV 1100, especially whether you're out exploring difficult terrain or working on a farm. However, let's be honest, occasionally, the gear changes might be a little abrupt, which makes the ride less enjoyable. So, in this manual, we'll discuss how to use your Kubota RTV 1100 to change gears smoothly. Nothing is worse than trying to shift smoothly and feeling like you are battling with the gear stick. Having a thorough understanding of your car's gearbox mechanism is one of the secrets to getting smoother gear. For complete detail about this topic, go and check our website link given in the description. Thank you. That is for the video. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video.